Welcome to this Rise Tek tutorial. Rise Tek Incorporated is an authorized Hans laser dealer. In this video, we'll walk through the Hans LaserNest software operation procedure, step by step. Software operation procedure. Select Import Part on the left side of the interface. Enter the part import interface and click the OK button to complete the import. Select the part and modify the part quantity. Click Add Rectangular Sheet on the right side of the interface and set the sheet height and width. Click the Nesting button to perform nesting. After nesting is completed, click the Technology button to add machining features to the nesting result. Click the Technology drop-down button and select Apply Technology to all nesting results. Click the Simulation button to view the machining path. Click NC to export the NC program. Click Report to preview, export, or print the report. Click the Save button on the top toolbar to save the current project as an HASP format file. Alternatively, export it in HSP or LXD format.